Hi there and welcome at Smully Art. In this week's video we're going back to my childhood. I'm drawing a character from one of my favorite animated series, and that is the character Lino from the Thundercats. Now that sounds like a lot of fun, so let's turn around the camera and let's start drawing. Lino is a fictional superhero and the main protagonist character of the Thundercats franchise. Lino is the leader and the hereditary lord of the Thundercats. The character is based on the lion and wields the legendary Sword of Omens, which is able to fire bolts of energy and allows Lino to see across great distances with its power of sight beyond sight, as well as a claw shield, a gauntlet that launches grappling lines from its claws. And guys, are there some other Thundercats characters you would like me to draw or other animated series? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. Thundercats was an American animated television series based on characters created by Ted Wolfe and was produced by Rankin-Bass Productions. The series debuted in 1985 and ran until 1989. It was one of the highest rated and most successful animated series of its time and is still popular to this day, with a huge fan following. Thundercats follows the adventures of a group of cat-like humanoid aliens called Thunderians from an alien planet called Thundera. The dying planet Thundera is meeting its end, forcing the Thundercats to flee their home world. The fleet is attacked by the Thunderians' enemies, the mutants of Plundar, who destroy most of the starship's fleet, but spare the flagship, hoping to capture the legendary mystic Sword of Omens they believe is on board. The sword holds the Eye of Thundera, the source of the Thundercats' power. Now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is painting time. Here we go. Yes, you. Would you like to own a sticker or a print or a t-shirt or a coffee mug with my art on it? Well, from now on, that's possible. I opened a webshop on Redbubble. Redbubble is a global online marketplace for print-on-demand products based on user-submitted artwork. So I upload my art and they will print it for you on a wide range of cool products and gadgets. This way you can get yourself some original designs and support me as an artist at the same time. I've put a link in the description if you want to take a look, but you don't have to if you don't want to. I'm already very honored that you are here watching my video, and you can also support me for free by subscribing to my channel or just liking this video. Now back to making art. that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my drawing of Lion-O from the Thundercats, and tell me guys, are there some other Thundercats characters you would like me to draw as well, or other animated series? Let me know in the comment section. And if you liked the video guys, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend my friends, we will see each other again next Friday. Bye!